Okay, so rules of stunt women who definitely know how to put on makeup. Putting on makeup in a car while driving, because how hard can that be? First thing, overall execution, 20 points. 10 of those points, symmetry related. Okay, then each makeup item has a value just for using it. So if you use it, you get the points. So lip liner, 20 points, because we think it's the hardest. Lipstick, 15 points. Blush, 10 points. Eyeshadow, 15 points. But if you use more than one color of eyeshadow, you get 5 points for every additional color of eyeshadow. And then there's the X factor, which is 10 points. That leaves you with a potential total of 100 points if you manage to use 3 colors of eyeshadow. She's not going for 2 eyeshadow colors.
Yeah.
Oh wow, double-ended brush.
Double-ended brush.
You're not having any secondary supplies.
No.
Okay.
I don't think so.
Like, it takes a special kind of person to fight with someone while they're driving on sideways.
Okay, let's see. Okay, so did we get eyeshadow on?
Yeah.
Okay, 2 eyeshadows? 1?
2.
It looks like 2. Dark and
Yeah.
got a little bit of blush on.
A little bit. I didn't bring enough blush. I could only blush this side of her because she kept fighting me. She's trying me. I couldn't get to the. My process is just very natural. So I just lip liner, lipstick, but like in a neutral tone, a little bit of blush. Okay. I also blushed Zendara, mainly her toque, not so much her
I think she also blushed my sleeve.
not so much her face. And just some subtle, shading on my eyes.
Yeah.
That was my process.
No time to evening.
Yeah.
Yeah, your look is a lot more subdued than some of the others that we've seen out here. So, that's good. I think so. I think your execution was actually pretty good. Yeah. Yeah. Well, now that you raise your eyebrows, under the eyes is a bit less quality than I originally thought.
It was a little funky.
I'm
not sure if that's the makeup or physical bruising.
Just giving yourself 2 black eyes.
Yep.
So I'm going to say execution. I'm going to give you execution. I'm going to do a 17 out of 20 on the execution.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who goes first? Because
Right, true, because I'm still
you're just somewhere.
Okay. But, well, you can have your own argument then. Maybe just cover your ears. Yeah, and then X Factor is a more subdued look, so I'm going to give you X Factor of 4 out of 10.
Okay.
Although the one on the left side of the lip is pretty.
It's a little something.
There's something going on. Well, Jean Chrétien.
Bumped it up.
Execution, I'm going to go with 18 because I was going to say 17 originally, but I have to be different. It is very symmetrical and balanced on both sides of the face, which is good. So think what I'm supposed to be judging on.
Yep.
But again, X Factor, I'm going to go lower and go with like a 4 because
it's so subtle.
It's just,
I know. It's so subtle. It's a daytime look.
It's kind of like a hungover sort of.
Yeah. I slept in my makeup.
Yeah. A wild night.
I'm good. I'm a little disappointed, but I'll try better next time. I'll try better.
These are professional stunt women and a professional driver on a closed course. You should not do this.